Because, yes, sometimes we do fall off. Oh, he's cool, he's chilling, ain't gonna do nothing. Sometimes you go just to give a reminder, just so when the next generation comes, and I'm sure there's gonna always be rebellious people, always. But your job as the overseer, as the Alpha and the Omega, see all things, see it before it even happens. Your job is to make sure that this evil doesn't stay on this earth. If you was to do your job, then you would have never had to send your begotten son. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. And I know you guys is gonna hear this and be like, yo, Jules, you bugging, bro. Yeah, we have to talk about this. Because this Abrahamic religion has taken control of our minds, has taken away our soul and gave us a spirit that we can't control, a spirit that's controlled by the ones that gave you the story. We can't control it. The billions of dollars invested into these religions, we can't control it. We can't control our spirit. This spirit, we only can control our soul, because our soul is connected to the solar universe. Mr. All-Powerful, All-Seeing, All-Knowing, morally great. Then how does sin make it into the heaven? Morally great? You was mad. You said, I repented. I repent from creating man. You said that. But you should have knew what was going to happen. And that means you also had the power to also prevent it from happening. Unless you like bloodshed. Unless you like bloodshed. So it only leads to two conclusions. Three, I should say. Number one, is this really the word written by God? Number two, is this God? Was it written by man, or was it written by him? And number three, guys, is this God really our God? Is this God of the Bible really the most supreme, the most powerful of all powerful gods? Because if anybody's powerful, why would you tell the people and give them a command not to worship any other God? For a God that's more powerful, why are you always taking out your frustration out on the bare mortals, the imperfected man, the ones that was born of sin, but you never, ever took your wrath out on Lucifer, the devil, the fallen, etc. Never. That's all I have for you guys. This is just a question. Big ass question mark you guys need to have and ask yourself, is this for real?